Hi, I'm Tom from Caymon, and I'm very excited to introduce to you one of our new Caymon in-wall mounting systems. So this is CASY. If you don't know CASY yet, it's a modular system. It's a modular system that allows you to choose your chassis. In this case, it's actually a wall-mounted version, which comes also with different types of built-in wall boxes. One for concrete, one for gypsy wall. And you can insert these modular panels. You can insert them in this panel, but of course you can also have it in a 19-inch setup, and we can build this into a 19-inch rack. You can also have it built up on the wall, such as this system, a two-way. We have it also in an 8-unit version. We have stage boxes, we have on-table solutions, and even we have built-in table solutions where you can insert all the CASY modules. The CASY series is completely solderless, so it's a very interesting series because it's very flexible and very easy to install. If you want to find out more about these products, visit caymon.be. I'm Tom, thank you for watching.